Yes, guys, welcome back to DMAC 4K World Tour. Guess what? I'm in the UK now. Yeah, man. I'm currently at Flinchley Road, guys. Look around, look how beautiful. Look at that. Yeah, so what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go catch a train over there and go to Liverpool Street and meet up with my brethren. So stick around and enjoy the tour, alright? Alright, guys, so I'm actually gonna continue my journey now. Yeah. So as I said, this is Flinty Road right here. Yeah. So I'm going to get the train and go straight to Liverpool Street, you know. Alright. Yeah. So this is Flinty Road station right here. Yeah. Yeah, so okay, so I get my card out and see if I can use my card here. Hello, I can tap my card here to go? Okay then, thank you. Okay. Yeah, so get my card out to go through. Okay. Okay. All right. Okay, so I just tap my card here, and this is it. So okay, so this is where I'm going. I'm right here, guys. Right here, so I'm going right here at the Liverpool station. Alright, so sit back and enjoy the ride with me with DMAC 4K World Tour. As I told you, I'm going to tour the world. Wow, it's turning right there. Oh. Yes. Oh, I just missed it. Just missed the first one. Well, I'm not in a rush, so put my card away. Okay, so the other train is coming in 10 minutes. So I'm not late. Yeah.
Welcome to Finchley Road Station. For your safety and security, CCTV is in use throughout the car.
So you'll have 4 platforms right here. So depends on where we're going. Yeah. Okay, guys. My train is coming in 2 minutes time. Right. Okay, so 2 minutes. Train will be here. Okay, here it comes.
This is a Metropolitan Line train to Holgate. The next station is Baker Street. The Elizabeth Line, London Overground, and National Rail Services.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Okay guys, I'm coming up to my stop, Liverpool Street. Okay, this is my stop. Okay, this is Liverpool Street, so exit from here. Okay guys, I'm just gonna go out now and go to the McDonald's and wait on my friend, and then we head off to our next destination. Yeah. Okay, so this way out. This way. Okay guys, you have to get the card to get out right here. So I'll get my card out. Get my card and tap it right here and get out. Okay. All right. Okay, so this is Liverpool Street. Yeah. All right. This is Liverpool Street right around. Yep. Okay, so McDonald's is over there. So I'm gonna go right over there and wait on my friend. All right, sit and relax and wait on my friend. Yep.
You're looking very friendly today.
Yeah, I'm always friendly.
Very quick one. Are you from around the area at all?
Huh?
Are you from around the area at all?
No, no.
Whereabouts are you from?
I'm from Jamaica.
From Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
Kingston?
Kingston, Jamaica.
Fucking love Jamaica.
Yeah,
I
man.
love that.
You love Jamaica?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah, I went to the grill.
Oh, you went to the grill?
Yeah.
Okay.
Jumped off the cliffs there.
Really?
Yeah. Very cool.
Okay.
Very cool place. Right, anyway, very nice to meet you, sir.
Yes.
Enjoy your trip here.
Yeah, I'm a YouTuber.
You're a YouTuber.
Yes.
Have a good day, man.
Yeah, man. All right.
Whatever.
All right. I guess he's trying to sell me something. Yeah. Yes. He's trying to sell something. You know, don't know what he's selling, but he's trying to sell something, you know. So
Hello, miss.
yes, walk around here. Yeah. All right, so all right, so I'm just gonna hang around here until my friend come. Yeah, we can meet up right here, you know. So this is the McDonald over there.
I don't even know if it's expensive. I think about shop.
So, Lovely girl, get down there. All right. So I'm just gonna hang around till my friend come. All right. So continue watching, guys. All right. All right, my people. Yes, all right, my people. These are the original Boss Kirk 4K travel.
Yes.
This is my best friend. Yeah, so we
Yes, just link up, you know.
So we just link up on Liverpool Street, you know. So guess what? We just have to continue with journey from here.
Yes, man, we're gonna
Yeah,
continue
man.
from here, man. You know.
Yeah, man.
And so nice to see you, man. Happy to see you again, you know. Happy to be back on your channel again, man. You know?
Definitely, definitely.
Yes, man. I'm happy to see you again, man. You know.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
So we're here in UK, and we're gonna be doing some collaboration here in UK, guys. You
Yes,
know.
man.
UK, come on, man. Let's do it. you know.
All right, so we are heading to our next destination.
Yes, we're heading to our next destination, guys. You know.
Yes, man.
I
So
want you to guess. Not gonna tell you where we're going.
Right.
We're going to our dreamland, guys. It's a dreamland. Yeah.
yes. So, guys, I wanted to go and support my friend here. Support his channel and tell him about the channel, no, Kirky.
Yes, man. I do the videos and the same as him, guys. You know, sometimes I change it up a little bit as well, guys. But the videos mostly is the 4K walk videos, them guys. So if you're interested, please check out my channel. He's gonna put the link into the description and also the name, which is Boss Kirk 4K Travel. So thank you, guys, and enjoy.
All right, so we are heading on our next journey now, guys. All right. All right, guys. So we're getting our ticket right here.
Yes, man.
Yeah. So. Okay, so printing the tickets now. Okay, that's the ticket coming out there.
Yeah, man. That's the
Okay.
ticket coming out there, man.
Okay.
Yes. Stand steady.
Stansted
Yes.
Airport. All right, guys.
Boy, it look like this train is going because it's 7:40.
Really?
Yes. We're trying to get platform 7. I don't think we're going to catch it. Platform 7 is up there.
Yeah.
I think that train is going. No, platform 6.
Yeah.
Is it platform 6?
Uh-huh.
17:55.
Uh-huh. So this is this one. All right. So we're going to board our train now. All right. So, yes. Okay. Hey, what's up? Good. Yeah, yeah. So this is the train, guys. We're going to the airport. Huh? This one? Eh? Yeah. Any platform? Huh? Huh? Wow. I can sit here? Okay. All right. Nice. Nice city.
Yeah.
All right.
And then this year is going to make 10 times.
Yeah. All right, guys, we're getting ready to go to the airport now. Yes.
Yes, man, off to the airport.
All right. It's a real Basker. Sit down over here, so. All right, so.
Yes, man, let's travel, man. Let's travel the world in 4K, guys. Come on, let's do it.
Let's do it, man. 4K live and direct.
That's right.
Yeah. All right, guys, off we go.
Yeah, it's right.
Oh, you transferred it. Okay.
Welcome to this service for Stansted Airport.
Yeah.
I know I did. And
We will be calling at Tottenham Hale, Harlow Town, Stansted Mount Fitchett, and Stansted Airport.
All right.
69 cents for the.
All right, guys. See you at Stansted Airport.
unanimously impressive. Yeah.
What did you say, 5? I said 10 at first, then I just 5. Now I'm thinking it's
Okay, just leaving out of London City.
What I said. Like some people are like, an attractive person with a mustache, and that's no. So that person has to be rolled out then, even though they couldn't their actual face structure.
And I said most celebrities are attractive.
Yeah.
So also odd.
But that doesn't like. If you look at the world of celebrities, it makes it feel like more attractive people are. Yeah. They're attractive. Actors, definitely.
Yeah.
I've seen all this sport.
Well,
Plus, I think this.
F1 drivers too. I showed Dylan this. I didn't see it.
I'm definitely spelled it wrong. You don't want to know.
It's like just spelled like Charles.
Oh. He's giving Orlando Bloom.
What's the second name? Leclerc. But I didn't see it. Gorgeous.
Yeah.
She was like, no, I don't see it. I was like, sorry.
Yeah, he makes my 1% of the earth.
Yeah. He does, doesn't he?
Also, like, most people, if they have a.
Put his song too. And where he's put his song in, like, did you remember Adam? What the fuck? Never died. I hated the Ulster line. That was the worst.
Yeah.
Just touch land, didn't it?
Yes.
Really would also be like burgers, chips, sausages. I hate them all. I'm painting my bedroom orange. It's also my favorite food. You're like, what the fuck?
And they say to answer you once really quickly.
Yeah, and you're like, what?
Remember the French?
I'm not joking.
All right.
French because I took all the comprehensive maths off me Saunders.
Yes. All right, guys.
You're the opposite. You said.
Yeah,
We are at Stansted Airport. Getting off the train now.
Stansted Airport.
Yeah.
So hard.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, it's very nice.
All right, guys. This is it. Stansted Airport. All right, guys. So, what we're going to do now is actually 8 o'clock now. So we're catching our flight in the morning. So we have a Airbnb where we're gonna stay for the night. So we're going straight to the Airbnb now. All right, and come back to the airport in the morning. Yep. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, bus gonna leave is. Good morning to you, my people. Coming to you live from Greenman in Stansted Airport. So this is where we stay for the night. Just a little room. Look at it. Nothing more than to just sit and rest your head. But it's so cheap, so and it's very close to the airport. It's only 8 minutes drive, right? So we didn't get to do no video last night, so we just are giving you a little showcase of the room, you know. Yeah, so this is the little room over here. Only thing we get in here, 2 cup and some coffee, and that's about it, right? But it's okay. All right, so we can go in the bathroom and show you the bathroom. All right, this is the bathroom here. Yeah, and this is the little shower right here. All right, so that's it from this little apartment. Okay. Oh, we get a little TV here.
Look at this TV here, guys, man. There's a nice little flat screen TV, you know.
Yeah.
Very nice on the wall.
Uh-huh.
Yes, man.
And we also get a little firewall over there, so.
Yes, man. Right here, man. We can have your little firestorm, you know.
Uh-huh.
Sit, have a talk, you know.
Yeah.
Drink 2 glasses of wine as well, you know. Can be red wine, white wine, blue wine, whatever color you want, guys.
Yes. All right, so we're off to the airport. All right, guys. So this is Greenman Hotel. It's very cheap, but it's just a small room, you know. All right. So 8 minutes from the airport, so we're waiting on our taxi now to come and get us to the airport. Oh, it's coming?
Yes, it's coming.
It's coming?
Yes.
All right. So see you at the airport, guys. All right. Closing up.
Closing up now, man.
Yeah, man.
Yes, man.
So
I'm gonna put him back in this box.
yeah, this is where we get the key.
That's right.
Last night, so we self-check-in, you know?
That's right. So we put it right up like this.
Yeah.
Okay, that's all right.
Oh, where the light gone? Oh, light come back.
Yeah. So just lock him back now.
Okay. All right.
Let's reset the podium so nobody don't get in.
Yeah.
That's all done.
All right.
We're going to the taxi now.
Yes, we're going to the taxi. So. All right, guys.
Oh, there it is. Yes.
Oh, he right here.
Yes. Sir.
Okay, so. Okay. Wow, we have rain. Good morning. Yeah? Heathrow. You can put it in the lock, yeah?
Yes, man. To the airport.
You have scared me now. I wasn't go to Heathrow. That for sure. I like to go home.
Oh, you want to go home?
Yeah.
All right, guys. So,
It's been a long night for me, so
very long night.
it's gonna be my last one.
Okay. All right. So, off we go to the airport now.
What time is your flight?
7 o'clock.
7.
Yeah.
It's plenty time for you.
Yeah.
Oh, yes.
All right. Yeah, man. So, it's 4:30 now in the morning.
Let's take you to Heathrow then.
Yes, yeah, let's go to Heathrow.
Or Gatwick, you know.
That's good. If you have a good mood from early in the morning, it's very good.
Okay.
Yeah.
Let's go to Gatwick.
Okay. Gatwick pickup.
Yes.
All right.
Where are you gonna travel to? Somewhere nice
Yeah, somewhere nice. Yeah.
and warmer and drier.
Yes.
Dreamland, you know.
What is that?
We're going to the Dreamland.
Dreamland. Which one is the Dreamland?
The green land.
Dreamland.
Yeah. You drink.
Alright, so we're coming up to the airport now.
Yeah, this is the departures and arrivals in one place.
Okay, it's departure one. Okay.
So I'm gonna let you very close to the departures and I'm gonna show you where the gate is.
Yeah.
It's easy, you can't get lost in it.
Oh, you can't get lost.
No.
Okay.
Don't you worry about it.
Okay then. Okay.
Just go inside to the door,
Yes.
turn left, all straight ahead to the security.
Okay then.
It's easy.
It's easy. All right. Yeah. Okay. Well, welcome to London Stansted. Okay. Right. Nice. Music is a sign. If you get that. Oh.
The two legs, you know, so sweet.
All right. So
Right, yeah.
right here.
Yeah. You
Okay.
see departures, that is the door when you must get inside through.
Yeah.
And you turn left.
Okay then. Thank you, my man.
See all the people they are going there?
Yes.
Just follow the people.
All right. All right. Thank you very much. Yep. Oh, it's raining.
So
All
you're
right.
gonna pay cash, gents?
How much is
All right. You ready to go? Yeah, man. So, all right, guys. So, we're at the airport now. So, time to check in for a what? New destination.
destination for Dreamland?
Yes, man. Going to our dreamland.
Yes, man.
Yeah, man. Wow. Yeah. So it's what, about 5 o'clock now? Yes.
Give the 5 o'clock, but 19 minutes past 4.
Huh?
19 minutes past 4.
Oh, 19 minutes past 4. Wow.
I'm going to tell them the car come pick us up at 5 o'clock.
Oh, it's early still, but it's better to early more than late.
That's right.
Yeah. Yeah, this watch up, yeah. Wow, a lot of people in here in the early morning. Oh, so we're looking for our flight. All right. So they're open. Open, really? Yeah. So can just go and get my boarding pass. Yeah. So drop off. Kirk, I think over here you have to come, you know.
This stupid suitcase.
Uh-huh.
Oh, you mean for the, oh yeah.
Yeah, over here, so we need to go to
Yeah, 2 sides here.
Oh,
Oh,
yeah.
confusion here.
a confusion, but we just have to go up there and ask.
Guys, join the shortest possible queue, they are all the same.
All the same.
Yeah, it's no difference. But if you need a visa check, then you'll be in zone F. It's only for bag drop.
Okay, so visa check
Check
is
zone F.
okay. Thank you.
Yeah, this is literally only for the bag.
Okay, all right. Oh, so
Yeah, just round this.
go around.
Out and then round, yeah.
Oh, go around the corner
Yeah,
there.
zone F. So this is the next one's F.
Okay, okay, all right. Thank you. So, because I'm traveling on a Jamaican passport, they have to check my visa. I already checked in, but then I have to check my visa, you know. So we're going to zone F. Okay. So it's right here. Yeah. All right. All right, guys. So just going to check my visa check right here and get back to you. All right.
Fast track is even busy.
Yeah. So all right, guys. So get my boarding pass now. So I'm going to go to check in now. So see you when I go in. All right. All right, guys. It's just come to security, and this is the duty-free area. All right. So we're just gonna walk through duty-free and go to our gate at least. Okay. So this is it. Wow. So this is Stansted duty free.
Oh, it has. It has. Come on.
So I've got some lipstick over there I would like to try.
Yeah.
You seem yucky.
So we're just walking through duty free right now. Yeah. There's a lot of shops for duty free. So this airport is busy, very busy in the morning here. Oh, a lot of flights going out. It's jam-packed.
Oh, this Lego store. It's so cool.
Wow. Okay, so this is to all the gates. All right.
Look, you're in winter as well. You're an
No, but I just can't.
All right, guys, we're going to our gates now. All right. Yeah.
I'm coming here.
Really? What gates were you at?
91.
91.
Say 81 to 93.
81 to 93. Okay. 81 to 93. That way.
Or if you want to walk 10 minutes.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
All right. See all the Ryanair plane there? So we are flying with Ryanair this morning. All right. 10 minutes walk. Make a push. Walk fast.
10 minutes to walk. All right, we have to go down the stairs.
Okay. Down the stairs. Wait a 91, right?
Yes.
Okay. All right. So.
Something guys, it takes 10 minutes. It's 10 minutes to get and walk to the gate. I never been in an airport where I have to walk 10 minutes to get from the gate. You know? That's the first time I've ever experienced anything like that ever in my life. So walk 10 minutes to the gate.
All right. It's a long walk, but we can get there. It says 91. Yeah.
It's like, anyway, the airline I'm flew from Spain guys was Wally. First time I flew with that airline. It's quite good. And then this one is going to be a different airline. Anyway, it's going to go like 10 minutes. Good. About 10 minutes.
So we have to get our passport and boarding pass right here. All right.
This is the stupid thing. This is the stupid
Okay, guys, I'm here at the airport, getting ready for my next journey, and this is my driver right here.
Yeah, my man. Got you on YouTube and everything.
Yes, man.
That's
So,
good.
so he gonna take me to the plane.
Yeah, I'll take you to the plane.
All right.
I'll
Safe.
come get you guys on the back as well.
Okay then. All right.
Space goes around as well.
Oh, okay, okay.
Between that as well.
All right, all right. All right.
Guys, all that room down there, please do go down and use it. Spare room, go down and use it. Stay in the back, ain't spare room in the bendy bit. Go down and use that room, please.
All right.
Thanks, guys. I'll get you guys in 2 seconds.
Okay, okay. Yeah, I got me a safe full.
There's still people here, that's why. You good for that for us?
Okay, get
Thank you
my.
very much.
All right, thank you.
Plane. It should take a few minutes to get over there, but when we do get there, when you do step off the bus, please just make sure you do take your time. It's quite wet on the floor, and over. Stuff like any rubbish you've got, please do take with you onto the plane, just so there's no rubbish on the bus. Now though, please make sure you go inside and do it just place and privacy, and I'll know when you arrive. Thank you. Onto the plane, do take your time as it's very wet. Have a lovely day and a safe journey.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
One number wrong. But yeah.
So this is our flight, guys. Yeah. We're going at the front. Walking at the front. Or back? Okay. Okay, this is our bird to our dreamland. Yeah, man.
Here you go, guys. So this is the flight, and it is actually raining. You see, I got my hoodie on and everything. Here is raining, but on the other side, is it never rained on the other side? I don't think so, man.
Yeah.
It's sunshine. Just like saying that it's sunshine, it's like weather, it's like, don't worry. And it's just a stop out, guys, and this weather over. Nice to get a little, nice to get even a fun, a short video as well, you know?
Yeah. All right, guys. It's raining, but we're boarding.
Good morning.
Hey, good morning.
Yes, good morning. Yes, welcome to Ryan here. You know, here in London.
Yes. So it's 19A.
No, I'm fancy.
Oh, sorry. Right down the line.
Sorry.
Okay.
Are you?
No, I'm trying to get out so I can see you.
Okay. Then
How are we going to do this?
you can just go in and I'll pass you. Okay. Thank you.
Ladies and gentlemen, you're very welcome to this Ryanair UK flight on A9860 taking you. Pleasure to move down the side of the cabin as quickly as possible. Please only take your allocated seats. These have been allocated to comply with the weigh-in balance. Place an order.
Okay, guys, this is my seat here, right over the wing. Yeah. And Kirky. Oh, it's Kirky right there. Yeah, I have good leg room right here. Yeah. Sit right here. I've got good leg room. Got good.
Aeroplane mode must be switched off for the duration of the flight. Any large devices such as laptops and tablets must now be switched off and stowed away for takeoff. The use of portable chargers is not permitted on this flight.
By First Officer Kane. My name is Reuniting and I will be taking care of you on the flight time. It's approximately 3 hours and 30 minutes. But before departure, we'll ask you full and complete attention. The cabin crew explain some of the safety features on board is Boeing 737-800 craft. It's for the safety and safety of passengers sitting around you. Thank you.
Or in the panel above your head. If it's needed, remove the jacket from its packet and place it over your head. Bring the strap around your waist, clip at the front, and secure as shown. To inflate the life jacket, pull down sharply on the red toggle. There is a mouthpiece for further inflation or deflation and a light to attract attention. Do not inflate your life jacket until you are outside the aircraft. Before takeoff, please study the safety card located within the area you are seated, as it includes important safety information specific to this aircraft type. It is essential that cabin signs and instruction smoking is not permitted anywhere on board. Your hand baggage must be securely stowed in the overhead locker or under the seat in front of you, and it must not block any aisle or exit. Now please ensure that your seatbelt is securely fastened, tray table folded, armrests down and window blinds open. For your safety, we recommend that you keep your seatbelt fastened at all times. Portable electronic devices, such as tablets and mobile phones in flight mode, may be used throughout the flight. Please select flight mode now and hold your device securely or place it in a pocket. If your device or its battery is damaged, hot, produces smoke, is lost or falls into the seat structure, please inform the cabin crew immediately. Larger devices, including laptops, must be switched off and stowed in your cabin baggage for takeoff and landing. Thank you for your attention. Please sit back, relax, and enjoy the flight.
Ladies and gentlemen, today flying on a Boeing 737-800 series aircraft with its A emergency exits. That's 2 at the front, 4 in the overwings and 2 here at the rear of the aircraft. Flight jackets are stored in the panel above your head unless instructed by a member of crew otherwise.
Relax and enjoy the flight.
Rainy morning.
crew, see you to departure, thank you.
Off we go now.
And armrest down. Any luggage removed from the hat bin or from the seat in front of you must now be restowed, and the use of the toilets and walking around the cabin is no longer permitted. In case of emergency, we ask you leave all personal belongings behind and ensure you study the safety card prior to landing. Ladies and gentlemen, be landing shortly.
Stationaries, I'd welcome you. Local time is approaching 25 minutes to 11 o'clock. The last now, please remain seated with your seatbelt securely fastened until the aircraft has to completely stop the fasten seatbelts and has been switched for you. Please take care when you open overhead lockers as items may become dislodged to your bind and cause injury. Passengers wish to smoke, please refrain from doing so until you reach designated smoking area outside the terminal building. So far, on behalf of the captain and bus officer and special book, I would like to choosing fly with us. It has been a pleasure taking care of you. We hope to see you on another service in the near future. Wishing you safe on one journey. Thank you and have a good morning.
Cross-check. Ladies and gentlemen, one last time from the flight deck. Welcome to Essaouira. Outside temperature is only 24 degrees.
Yes, guys, we are at our destination. Yep.
Using both the forward and rear doors. Please use the handrail provided when walking down the stairs. For passengers travelling with children, please hold their hands as you walk down the stairs and until you are inside the terminal building. Thank you.
Okay. Okay, guys, I arrived at Madrid. This is Morocco. We are in Morocco. All right, so we are just come off the plane there. Yeah, so we are going through to immigration now. All right. Yes. So we're gonna explore Morocco. So we are in Essaouira, Morocco. Yep.
Hello guys, yes, we just arrived. Just came off that plane. There you go now guys. Okay, so what country I am in guys? I have just arrived in Morocco.
So the plane getting ready to return back to UK. Yeah. Yeah. Yes, yes, they're going
As soon as this arrived, they just come right straight away.
straight out, right away.
The first time I've seen that.
Really?
First time I ever seen that.
Yeah.
I seen people, alright. I seen people go on the same plane, but not
So
like,
quick.
so quick. As soon as we come off, you know, they come on, baby people boarding.
Yeah, they boarded right away.
That's the first time I've seen that.
Yeah.
They didn't get the chance. It's like they didn't even get the chance to even clean the seat or brush it.
Yeah, I tell you.
They just come, wow, put them in. That's it. You know?
That's it. The weather is nice here. Yeah, man.
I'm glad to see you come here now. I'm glad we return back in this country now. Right?
Yeah, man. The weather is nice.
Yeah, yeah.
Cool and nice.
This is what we're doing. Even something the country, you think you would have a come up to Morocco.
Yeah.
I said, yes, man. I said, of course. I said, when I come to Morocco, it will be a different.
All right, guys. So we actually will go through security. So I have to turn off the camera right here. So I'll get back to you. All right, guys. So this is it. Just landed in Morocco. So thanks for watching. And remember to like, share, and subscribe. So I'm gonna go and explore Morocco now.